I'm Kane McGuffin, and look what arrived in the mail today. This is my F3 trophies that got sent to me. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm doing an unboxing video. So let's see what we got here. What we're at. Got some blended trophies. Here is the second one for the confetti. Geez, I'm in mess already. Okay. I didn't think this through. I'm going to cut it right here, so while I take these guys out the packaging. God. And we're back with all the confetti all cleaned up and everything. So each of the trophies are kind of wrapped up in a nice little package. They look like Christmas burritos. So let's try to open these guys up. There we go. Inside we have Happy Birthday Old Fart wrapping paper. Let's dig deeper. There are many layers to this. Oh, good. And here we have our Furry Film Fest trophy. This one is Best Character Award. Wow. It looks really, really nice. So shiny. Sure, let's open up the other one. And here we have my Best Story Award. They're so good. So I have a bunch of people I need to thank. For my short and order of appearance, I want to thank Marlo first for his part for making the YouTube spoof video. I want to thank Kenyuki Tanuki. He did the voiceovers for the advertisement and also did the voice on the phone support. I want to thank Bastian, my husband, who had to put up with me filming all over the house, and he was also the polar bear in one of the scenes. Choya, he was the cactus cat, and he graciously let me film in his face. And I also want to thank @SpookyFox for being the token non-fursuiter human character in my short. Without you guys, my short would not have been as good as it was. I also want to thank Chrono Wolf and all the people involved at Furry Film Fest for organizing and running this amazing film festival. And I want to thank all the judges for critiquing and giving great feedback on my short and all the shorts. All you guys, this whole thing could have been done without you. I'm just really overwhelmed right now because just having these trophies in front of me now just makes it feel more real. And yeah, I'm just really emotional right now. I've only been doing short films for a short while, and just having you guys acknowledge the work I did for my short means so much to me. And I just want to thank everyone involved for this wonderful achievement. There's nothing can't think of anything else to say. So thank you so much for these amazing trophies, and I look forward to the next Furry Film Fest. Okay, that's it. Cut.